Want to connect your Netgear router with a Spectrum modem? Today, I will show you the full setup process. Before we start, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments. Make sure your Spectrum modem, Netgear router, Ethernet cable, and computer are ready. Place your modem and router close together so connecting the cables becomes easier. First, check your Spectrum modem and make sure it has power and internet lights. The modem should be fully online before you connect your new router. Now take the Ethernet cable and connect it from the modem to the router. Plug one end into the Spectrum modem LAN port and the other into Netgear Internet port. Next, connect the Netgear router power adapter and turn the router on. Wait a few moments while the router starts and the indicator lights activate. The router lights will show when the device is ready for setup. Now use your laptop or computer to connect to the Netgear Wi-Fi network. Look for the default Netgear network name in your available Wi-Fi list. Select the network and wait until your laptop connects successfully. Open a browser and visit the Netgear router setup page. The setup screen will guide you through the connection process. Follow the instructions and allow the router to detect your Spectrum internet. The router will automatically configure the connection with your modem. Wait while the setup process finishes and saves your network settings. Once completed, you should see a confirmation message on the screen. Now open the wireless settings section inside your Netgear dashboard. Here you can customize your Wi-Fi name and create a secure password. Save your changes and wait for the router to apply the new settings. Reconnect your devices using the updated Netgear Wi-Fi information. Check your phone or laptop to confirm the wireless connection works. Run a quick internet speed test to make sure everything is stable. If the test works, your Netgear router setup is complete. You can now enjoy your Spectrum internet through your new Netgear Wi-Fi network.